Good evening, I'm Abby Maurer.
And I'm Paulo Salazar. Tonight, a Tallahassee boy is getting an unusual gift for his 7th birthday.
It's a 3D printed robotic hand that replaces the 4 fingers he was born without. A gift he never thought possible until today. For Eden, it's a moment he's waited for his whole life. Eden is finally getting a prosthetic hand, but this one is special, built by a 3D printer. Eden was born with Amniotic Band Syndrome, a random occurrence, describes his mom, where not all of his fingers on his right hand grew as they should.
It's just, it's not that it's not normal or anything like that, but you want him to experience some other things that he may not be able to do.
That's a little view of the printer over there.
When 3D printer Thomas Jackson heard Eden's story, he knew what he had to do. Combining his passion with a purpose, Jackson spent the next few months designing, printing, and assembling this robotic hand for Eden, and for a lot less than a prosthetic hand.
He's 7 now, but he might need 8 more hands between now and 18, and before it just wasn't cost effective to do that, and now with 3D printing it kind of changes all of that. We could scale up the size of this design and reprint him another one.
Not only is this really cool looking, it's also extremely lightweight, weighing just several ounces. Damon, show us how this works.
Well, this is a 3D printed hand. We made a small modification to add a existing orthotic joint here, but as you can see, these tension cables go all the way through to the digits. And as Eden flexes his wrist, then the digits actually close and provide some grasping that he wasn't normally able to use. Awesome. One more time. All right. Well, it's working a little better, isn't it?
And Zakiya won't be pulling out her plastic as often to pay for it. Thomas said it costs less than $100 to print.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Wow.
But to Eden, it's priceless, leaving him speechless. But that's okay. His smile says it all. What do you think?
That's good.
And Jackson and Victor belong to an online community called Enable, which bridges the gap between the 3D printing community and professional orthotists and prosthetists. Now, I'll post more information on our website, WTXL.tv. And they say while the robotic hand they printed does not compare to the strength and durability of existing prosthetics and has not been evaluated by the FDA, these 3D printed hands fill a need for children around the world, including giving them a self-esteem boost.